Was it, you put long tubes?
Long tubes with catless mids.
What long tubes again?
BBKs.
BBKs?
Yeah.
With catless, eh? But you have cats, right?
Oh yeah, no,
yeah, you got cats.
They're high flow cats.
High flow cats?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
Inline. You can't really see them. Downtown, I was like, trying to chill.
What the heck?
Stupid dog.
That's crazy. Good purchase? You're satisfied with your purchase?
Yeah.
That's what I want. He says it's too loud.
I'm working on the car, and the neighbor comes out. She's like, "So it's not gonna be louder, is it?"
It's freaking loud. Shit, dude. Oh my god. Here we go. Dude, it's so loud, man.
It's loud, eh?
How is it in the cabin?
It's not bad. You got to go past, like, have it bounce off something around you. Like, you can hear it, but it's not like when we drove across here and I was behind. It was like, but it's still.
It's good that your tips go past your body, like the body.
Yeah, there's no resonation.
Yeah. Oh, that's loud, man. What? Dude, that's a bit much, bro. Oh, dude, that's so loud.
I like how it pushed them out.
Yeah.
And it pushed it even more. Well, yeah, not like half an inch or something, eh?
Well, before you couldn't really see that, could you?
Yeah, it was like
So
freaking.
So more than half an inch, 2 inches.
That's good.
That's crazy. Good job. I definitely want to hear that on like cruising and different like RPMs. Yeah.
Your whole fist up there.
Mind if I fist your hole real quick?
Yeah, bro. That's what's there.
Holy
Wow.
I'm not lying.
like a lot of clearance.
I can literally
It's a bit
fit my
loose,
old
eh?
exhaust tip right inside.
13 hours?
13 hours all year, yeah.
Did you start yesterday?
I started yesterday.
Yeah.
And then I had gotten the whole left side in and everything.
Yeah.
And then I was down to, so I got the heat shield off.
Yeah.
Yeah, all yesterday. And then on the driver's side this morning I was going to start.
Yeah.
So taking the header off, the second last bolt, my swivel snaps.
Oh,
so now
yeah.
I'm running around town looking for a swivel.
Yeah.
Right? Then I'm finally finding a swivel at Princess Auto. I get back. Now I'm putting the new header in.
Yeah.
Second last bolt I'm putting in, or it was like the last bolt that I was putting in.
Yeah.
It slips out of my hands and goes in between all the headers down to the collector.
Get out of here.
So now I gotta take the header back off.
No way.
To get this bolt
See,
out.
that's what happens when you don't pay attention, eh?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. The last bolt you said?
Last bolt.
Oh.
And then I was putting the mids in.
Yeah.
And the studs that they give you to go in between the two brackets.
Yeah.
It was literally like an inch short.
Yeah.
So it was just making it to the edges of the. You couldn't put any bolts on it.
Yeah.
Or nuts on it.
Man.
Hey, put the smile on my face.